Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2025 911 Carrera. It's in Vanadium Gray over a black and Bordeaux Red interior. Super nice classic combination. This car is near like new condition. Has not been through our detail department yet, but kind of shows like it has. See, we have the glass sunroof on the top. Surround view, you can kind of tell from the camera out here, as well as when we get inside. Deviated stitching in red as well. You can see the silver trim and the Bordeaux red and black interior. Crest on the armrest. Inside. Turn this on. So as it sits, 117 miles. So as I mentioned, kind of basically like new. Does have a heated steering wheel. Button, if you're not informed about it, is right down here. Cruise control, of course. As we come over here, it's going to continue as guest. Use online. Ignore, it's a little bit low on fuel, but here you can see the PCM. Coming down here, we can see that it has heated seats. They're not ventilated, but they are heated. And these seats are, they're the sport seats, so we have the additional bolstering, but they are partially manual. The fore and aft is manual, but the rake of the back and the seat height is adjustable electronically. It does have sport exhaust, and we do have PASM as well, so you can adjust the shock settings. This one does not have sport chrono, but you can go from normal to sport using this dial, and then there is a wet mode as well. As I mentioned, glass sunroof. There is a shade that comes across too. So just a really beautiful example of a 911 Carrera. Any additional questions, reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. It's 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.